Ever switch phone numbers and worried about losing your WhatsApp chats? Or maybe you are tired of people texting your old number? Don't panic, in just a few taps you can change your WhatsApp number without losing a single chat. Stick around because I am going to show you the easiest way to do it. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I am going to show you how to change your old number to the new number in WhatsApp. So let's start the video. First of all, open the WhatsApp app and now go to the settings. Then you will see several settings over here like list, broadcast message, account privacy, chats, notification. Just tap on the account option and again you will see several settings over here like security notifications, two-step verifications. Find for the option change phone number. After it found, tap on it, then tap on the next option and here you will see two options, confirm old number and new number. In the first option, type your old phone number and in the new number, type your new number. After you're done, tap on the next option. Now WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code and boom, your WhatsApp is now linked to your new number. No lost chats, no worries. Your groups, settings and conversations remain exactly the same. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.